In this video, I'll show you how to remove the Add Friend button on Facebook step by step. While Facebook doesn't let you completely remove the button, you can limit who is allowed to send you friend requests, so most people won't see the option. To get started, open the Facebook app and sign in to your account. Tap the menu icon, then go to Settings and Privacy and select Settings. Scroll down to the Audience and Visibility section and tap How People Find and Contact You. Next, tap Who Can Send You Friend Requests. You'll typically see two options, Everyone and Friends of Friends. Select Friends of Friends. After making this change, only people who share at least one mutual friend with you will be able to send you a friend request. For everyone else, the Add Friend button won't be available. You can also review other privacy settings, such as who can look you up using your phone number or email address, and who can see your friends list, to further limit unwanted contact. Keep in mind that Facebook doesn't currently provide an option to completely hide or disable the Add Friend button for everyone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy app tutorials. Thanks for watching.